Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lacey Elizabeth, and in today's video we are going to be taking a brand new eyeshadow palette, and I actually haven't used this brand before, but it's at Sephora and I actually picked it up at their VIB sale. I've heard such amazing things about this. I thought you and I could do an eyeshadow tutorial look using this brand new Lawless palette right here. This is from the brand Lawless and it's called The One. It's the baby palette, and honestly, I've heard such great things about the formulation from Lawless that I really want to give it a try. So I thought, let's try it out together. Plus, I've got brand new lashes from Too Faced. Yes, I've got the Better Than Sex lashes, and I thought, let's go full glam. Let's do this. If you want to stay up to date with my latest videos, remember to hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. I'm excited for this. Alright, let's unbox this palette. Don't need this. This is by Lawless and this palette is called The One. So we've got paper shield, very nice sized mirror. Okay guys, let's swatch some of these colors. That's stunning. That's beautiful. Let's go in with this beautiful purple matte shade. That's beautiful. And this shimmery shade right here. Okay, these shades are stunning and I'm so excited to put this on my eyes and create an amazing look with you guys. I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to apply shadow shields for this look. So I've got my two shadow shields right here and I just picked these up on Amazon. They're super cheap. So I'm just going to peel that sticker and I'm going to apply it just under my lash line. And just tap that down, just like that. Alright, now I'm going to go in and tap that back into my transition shade, tap that off, and let's apply it to our transition. That's a very, very pretty color. I'm going to go in, I'm going to pick up just a little bit more, tap that off. That's stunning. That's a beautiful color. Next, I'm going to go in with this 282 brush by MAC. And I'm actually going to pick up this plum burgundy looking red color. It is a little bit dusty in the pan, I'm not going to lie to you, so we're definitely going to tap that off. But I do have the shadow shields on, so our makeup will be totally perfect. I'm actually going to go in, I'm going to apply this color just right here on my lid. Okay, that's pigmented. Lawless is not playing around. That's quite pretty. So now that we have that pigment placed on our center of our lid, I'm going to go in with that exact same fluffy blending brush that we were using from Sigma that we had gone in with our transition, and I'm going to blend out that color, just fading it into the transition shade. So with small swiping motions, I'm just fading that color into that transition shade. It's a beautiful blend. I'm actually going to tap into that same color with the same MAC brush, and I just want to deepen that up just a little bit, just near my lash line. I'm going to go in with that same blending brush and just blend that out. Okay, now that I've finished blending that out and deepening that up, I think it's stunning, so beautiful, and the blend is just amazing. I grabbed this Morphe brush right here, which is just an all-over shadow fluffy brush. I'm actually gonna take this brown shade here, and I'm gonna tap into that. That's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. Like, the pigmentation on that color is just gorgeous. I'm gonna tap that off, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna actually smoke this out. So we're just gonna deepen up our outer eye. So I'm just gonna go in and dab that on my outer V. Just like that. I'm gonna go in with that same blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend that smoke out. That's stunning. Okay, now I really want to go in with this very light vanilla-y shimmer color. So I'm actually going to go in with this Makeup by Mario, which is a more tightly packed shadow brush. I'm just going to dip this into this amazing shimmer color. That color, the pigmentation, like, that's just gorgeous. I'm going to tap that off. Now I'm just going to apply this on my inner corner, and I'm going to bring it into the middle of my lid. I'm just going to bring it down onto the lower lash line on the inner corner. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Now I'm actually going to go in with my finger, and I'm going to pick up this amazing color right here. I've got it on my finger, and I'm just going to apply this to the 1/3, kind of 1/3 to my inner corner and to the center of my lid. The reason I'm using my finger to do this today is because this is such a soft formulation that it's just going to apply beautifully, which it did, and it's just going to give me that amazing foiled effect. Now I'm going to go in with that exact same brush that we just used for our inner corner, and I'm just going to soften those edges. Just like that. Now I'm going to go back into that exact same color. I'm picking it up on the brush, tapping off any fallout, and I'm just going to apply just a little bit more to my lower lash line. Off our shadow shields, we don't need them anymore. We're actually just going to take a blending brush and just blend this harsh line right here, because I don't want that. This is just a very tiny pencil brush. This is a JH39 from Morphe, and we're just going to take that, smoke out our lower lash line, and then blend that harsh line right there. Just small circular motions. Okay guys, blended, not blended. See the difference? Okay guys, I'm going to go in, I'm going to apply my mascara and my lashes and my liner, and I will be right back. Okay guys, these are the Better Than Sex lashes from Too Faced. What do you guys think? I think they're stunning. Perfect for the holiday season. Perfect for every day. Let's get real. Love it. Absolutely love it. This is the look. I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and polished off the look with some eyeliner on my lower lash line. And I think it's stunning. This Lawless palette is beautiful. Recommend it. Gold stars all the way. Absolutely love it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. if you want to see more videos like this, remember to hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.